Inflation in the United States will reach 50%. Now, that is a bold claim, and I know a lot of people are going to immediately recoil at that and say,
there's no way it could get that bad.
Well, to give some perspective and some credibility to my opinion, when I was a child, I was frequently going on about how inflation is a scam by the wealthy to steal from the common man and that it will escalate tremendously. At that time, it was around 2%, which was standard for the time. Now in Western countries, including US, it's about 8%, or even like 9 to 10% that we're seeing in the United Kingdom. So since that time, it is 5x'd, okay? So we're going from 10% to 50%, that's another 5x. Just to give some perspective. But before we get on with the rest of this video, if you use a DeFi wallet, you'll know that it's pretty hard to track your portfolio's profit and losses. So BossTrack.com makes it easy. You can connect your wallet address in a couple of seconds to begin tracking your DeFi portfolio, telling you the performances of your wallet and individual coins. It is super easy to use and is compatible with multiple networks such as Ethereum and BSC and more. Try it now at BossTrack.com. Me saying that inflation in the United States can reach 50% is not out of line or even that bold a prediction. And I think the establishment are making this clear already. In fact, Biden has gone on interview and has basically asserted that 8% is the new normal. There was like an interviewer saying, Biden, inflation is really crazy right now, it's 8%. And he says, look, last month it was like 8.2%, now it's 8.3%, it's barely gone up.
Faster. Well, first of all, let's put this in perspective. Inflation rate month to month was just an inch. Hardly at all.
You're not arguing that 8.3 is good news.
No, I'm not saying it's good news, but it was 8.2 or 8.2 before. I mean, it's not, I can make it sound like all of a sudden, my God, it went to 8.2%.
So you can see what they're doing, right? They're shifting the Overton window so that 8% becomes the new baseline, and then they're going to build up from there. This is what tyrants always do. They always shift the Overton window to be more and more extreme. In reality, inflation should be 0% because it is institutional theft. When they set 8% as the new standard, people that campaign to go down back to 5% are seen as these really free market guys because they're only printing money to the tune of 5% a year. Well, it's ridiculous. They are trying to shift the Overton window so that this is the new normal and that they are going to build up from here in terms of money printing and destruction of the Western economy. But this isn't unusual or unique to US. As I said, this is happening all over the world, and this is par for the course when it comes to fiat currency. In fact, fiat currency is designed to exponentially lose in value. There is no fiat currency that hasn't gone to zero. The only exception is the British pound, which has lasted an exceptionally long time but has gone down by over 99.9%. It's basically gone to zero, right? And if you guys aren't worried about this already, I want you to consider this. In the United States, the debt to GDP ratio is higher than peak WW2. Peak WW2. And we're in a time of peace. So we're already absolutely redlining this current system and nothing's even going on. So that should give you some indication as to how bad things are. Imagine if United States actually goes to W now. Like what, I mean, how bad is it going to get? Oh my God. And this is where 50% comes into play. It's only a 5x away, guys. Like this isn't that big a leap. This is my crazy opinion. And these people have no desire to change this. They're making tremendous amounts of money. The gap between the richest and poorest in the West is growing tremendously. The establishment are making tremendous amounts of money because this is how the fiat currency scam works. As you print more money and more inflation is introduced, more wealth is consolidated in the hands of people that already have assets, be that real estate, stocks, and even crypto, which is what I'm encouraging people to get into to protect their wealth. On the other hand, when it comes to Joe Schmo that is living paycheck to paycheck, by the time his check comes through, he's realized the full amount of inflation. Like, he doesn't hold assets, he has a flow of fiat currency. So he is the one that pays for that inflation, and it goes into the hands of people that already have assets. This is the handbook of the elites, and it works really, really well. So why would they stop this? Why would they just suddenly have a change of heart and be like, oh no, let's go back to 2% inflation? No, the jig is already up. Like, people are already wisening up. So, you know, when people are wisening up to a scam, that's when you put the pedal to the metal and really go abrasive with the scam. If you look at countries that go into hyperinflation, it escalates really quickly, because as more people realize that hyperinflation is happening, the more they take money out of that currency and put it into something else. There's like a run to the banks. So in order to recoup, they actually have to print even more money. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is the death spiral of fiat currencies. People are definitely wising up to this. You know, there's been an attempt to blame this on Russia, which I don't think many people believe. Not many people accept that on face value, like the establishment wants. People are thinking, no, actually, this is your fault. You're the one actually printing this money. You're the one that has these insane bloated government programs that has a higher debt to GDP ratio than peak WW2. I think people are starting to run to the banks a bit. That's the real reason why cryptocurrency is growing so much. You know, cryptocurrency has been the best performing asset of the last decade. In fact, I think this decade will see cryptocurrency exceed the total market cap of gold bullion as a store of wealth, which is going to be a landmark event in human history, but I do actually think that is going to happen. And that's where we'll see Bitcoin reach $500,000, even like $1 million per coin. Like, things can actually get to that point, and I actually do think they'll get to that point. But that's not investment advice. I'm not telling you what to do. But I would definitely look into cryptocurrency right about now and just educate yourself on it. Again, the normies that said I was crazy and I was overreacting and making such a big deal about inflation when it was 2% are saying the same thing now. Oh no, it's not going to go to 50%. Oh, you're overreacting. Guys, history doesn't lie. The establishment has no intention of changing up. I don't really care about the details because I know the mathematical reality of what is happening. So yeah, I mean, I think things are going to get much, much worse when it comes to inflation. You can see this in the way the establishment talks. Like, they're blaming everything and anyone else who is pushing the money printer button. And when people are making excuses and blaming other people, they're basically telling you they're not going to change. They're not going to change their behavior. It's an admission that they do not want to change. So believe that these guys are going to get worse when it comes to inflation, and that all this, oh, it's only temporary, it's just a load of BS. You can see by the way they talk, it's crystal clear, to me at least, what is happening, and I don't think there's going to be any recovery at all. In fact, I'd be extremely doubtful at that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Zero Waiting signing out.